How to fix Apple ID cannot sign into application. To fix the Apple ID cannot sign into application, first of all, you have to enable the sign in with Apple in iCloud. So first of all, launch the setting application on your iPhone. And then you simply have to tap your name at the top and then proceed to select the iCloud. Then tap See All under the applications using the iCloud section. Scroll down and verify that the sign in with the Apple function is turned on. Once you turn this function on, you now simply have to generate an app-specific code. For older applications, you can use the web browser and log into the Apple account, and then navigate to the Sign In and Security section, and then select the app-specific password, and then generate the specific app password and follow the prompts. Copy the unique character code generated on your screen, then paste it to the third-party application password field instead of your regular Apple ID password. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.